Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
here are all the cards I made with that Polkadoodles 6x6 collection, and these are all the same design, probably a little bit boring, but nonetheless I managed to make all these cards pretty quick, even using some embossed panels, using a snowfall embossing folder. So I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there was 24 sheets in that 6x6 paper pad. So I've made 24 cards, and I've used probably half a dozen sheets of A4 solid coloured cardstock as well. I used one die, one circle die, punches, an embossing folder, Nuvo drops, and a stamp and die set. On the inside there are scraps of paper. I have those few scraps left over, so there's not many at all. I probably won't keep those. I'll probably just toss those into the recycling. And sorry, I couldn't resist putting a couple of Christmas tunes in the fast forwarded part of the video. So hopefully you didn't mind those, but I have used the usual music I like to use in my videos as well. So they are going to be keepers for me. I will be keeping these. They won't be donated, and I will be giving these to friends near and far. So yeah, thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you all again in the next video. I think it'll be an unboxing of a Love from Lizzie card making kit. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of each other, and bye for now.